Amalgamation A. We're going to start this one on the left foot. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, spring. Pick up on one foot. Cramp, roll, and you can choose if you want to make it 5 beat or 4 beat or 6 beat. I've made it 5 beat there. Drop onto the right foot and scuff. And then you can repeat it again with a little pause just to bring your foot up. Or as you know, all these amalgamations, you could use them in a dance, so therefore you would start a step with the foot out from the scuff position. If you don't know how to do any of these steps, go back to my original tap dancing videos where I go through every single step slowly. So one more time. Shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, spring. Pick up on one foot, cramp, roll, drop onto the right foot and scuff. Let's try with some music. Amalgamation B, you can play around with the timing of these steps and you can accentuate bits as and when you like with your music. So play around with the rhythms and the speed of these steps. So the footwork will be tap, spring, shuffle, ball change. And don't forget, you can play around with these. You could tap, spring, make a turn. The shuffle, ball change you could do sideways rather than to the front. So play around with those parts as well, and don't forget to include arms. So tap, spring, shuffle, ball change, 2 tap steps, and again you could travel or turn them as you wish. I'm just going to do everything straight so you can follow the steps. Then a stomp on one foot and any form of ball change. Again, you could turn that, ready to start in another direction if just practicing the amalgamation. So I'll say it one more time for you. Tap, spring, shuffle, ball change. 2 tap steps. Stomp on one foot. Ball change. One more time. Tap, spring, shuffle, ball change. Tap, step, stomp, ball change. And as I say, play around with the rhythms of that. You don't have to do formal counting. You could speed some bits up to fast counting or slow other bits down to accentuate them. Let's try with the music. And on to Amalgamation C. I have listed all the music below in the description, but it's great to find your own music too, especially if you're going to join them all together for a long dance. So we're going to do 2 pick-up steps. Step, pick-up, spring, toe. And 2 triples, which are basically like cross ball changes. And again, vary your direction, travel on some things. You could do your triples backwards and get a little spring into it as well. So one more time, 2 pick-up steps, step, pick-up, spring, toe, and 2 triples. So for your beginners, you could make that quite casual, or your more advanced students, you could do that to some really fast music. Don't forget to include some arms and heads too. You should now be introducing headlines. So raised, turned, anything like this. Inclined is a nice one as you're using your arms. So let's go with the music.